Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your followers on Instagram. So let's begin. So here we are in Instagram, and what we're gonna do is that we are gonna hide our followers. And as you can see, I am currently in my test account, so I have 0 followers. But to do this, what we're gonna do is that we are gonna need to private our account, and that way the others would be able to see how much followers we have, but they won't be able to see who followed us or who our followers are. So to do that, it's simply right here. Go tap here at the top right and go into settings. And from here, go into privacy and go activate the private account right here. So if you're not seeing this option, it's because you are on professional mode. So in order for you to switch to personal mode is type here in the search bar, switch right here, just like that. As you can see, I have switched to professional account. It means I am in personal account. But if you have this option right here which says switch to personal account, then you would need to tap that and switch to personal account so that you would be able to see the private account feature right here in the privacy right here, and make sure it's toggled on. And that is how you hide your followers on Instagram.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.